What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking as though we have been going sideways for the past few days. Overall, we did, we kind of drew in this channel here, didn't we, of potentially where we could see some lows. Obviously a nice parallel channel here. You can see we've actually drawn it across these 2 peaks here, slowly making our way to the upside. Macros are still looking good, higher highs and higher lows. Even in this, particularly bearish market that we've kind of seen over the past few months, we still haven't really come down to the bottom of the channel here, which probably would be bottoming out around 1.35 cents there. You can see, Verasity, it's had a lot of really fundamentally good news recently, hasn't it? It's had the Huobi tier 1 listing on exchange, which is really good to see. Obviously, we've had the Bright Cove partnership being announced as well, which is super bullish in our opinion. You can see the volume as well for Verasity is just going absolutely crazy right now. There's a crazy amount of volume here. This is the highest volume we've ever seen on this chart for Verasity as well, which is really interesting to see. And as we said before, with all of our charts today, we're still stuck under this RSI downtrend that we do need to break. Although we are looking like we are forming some bullish divergences here on the histogram, the momentum to the downside, which is quite interesting to see. So overall, you can see higher highs and higher lows on the chart, still looking pretty good in our opinion, respecting the Fibonacci levels on the way down pretty nicely as well. You can see it quite clearly here. Obviously, once we lost the 618, we came down to the next level, the 050. We got the overextension, and now looking like, if we look at the hourly time frame, you can see we are chopping it up in and around that area, going sideways basically. Bitcoin looking as though it's having a bit of a renaissance today, heading to the upside, up at around 38k right now. And Verasity, just going sideways, probably just lagging behind and waiting to see what Bitcoin does really, because, a lot of the altcoins have been absolutely smashed recently, and they are going to take a little bit of time to recover, in our opinion. So you can see here, obviously we came down, form a range, low, high, low, and then back to this high, and now looking like we are chopping it up in and around that fib level at the 0.5, is it the 0.50 there? And then basically, sooner or later we're going to retest the top of this range and maybe start to break back to the upside, because to be honest, Verasity here getting horribly overextended to the downside, as we can quite clearly tell. The last time on the RSI that we were this oversold was basically when we're down here at maximum fear, maximum capitulation, back when we were at a 3/4 cent. And then we subsequently ran, 12, 13x in the space of a few months, all the way up to, that 9 cent level before we've had that recent correction as well. So in our opinion, we're just going through the motions right now, aren't we, for Verasity? Looking for that 4th wave bottom, basically. If you're thinking about this as, Elliott wave theory, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're looking for that 5th wave, which is quite similar to the first wave, which would take us up towards that 227 target at 75 cents that a lot of people are looking for, maybe upwards of $1. A lot of people are saying that Verasity can get to $2 to $3 in this year, which would be obviously absolutely insane considering it's currently at around 2 cents. That would essentially be, 100, 150x if that was the case, which would obviously be absolutely crazy to see. In our opinion, we're probably not that hopeful for Verasity, but we do think 50 cents to $1, as we've always said, when the market starts to play ball again, is highly likely in our opinion. It seems pretty likely that we're probably going to see those big moves to the upside fairly soon. Once the market does start to play ball again, we've obviously seen Bitcoin getting dragged down for a long time by the stock market and various other things. But in our opinion, the market's just going in waves, isn't it? And you can see quite clearly here, we are set to, potentially have that next leg up towards the 127, the 141, maybe the 161 at 20 cents. So before we do short-term price predictions, we do just want to direct everyone's attention to the private Discord that we do have. We've got the free Discord, which is totally free to sign up for. You should go and check that out in the description. It takes like 10 seconds to sign up, and you get access to the amazing community that we've been growing recently. I think we've had like 300 or 400 new members join this week, which is absolutely amazing to see. They're all providing so much value in there about passive income plays, which has been, a really hot topic recently. We've got all kinds of different channels in there for daily news, daily updates on the market, technical analysis. We've got a memes channel as well. you might as well go and sign up to it because it's totally free. It takes like 10 seconds in the description. And if you do want to help the channel out and get even more content, you can sign up to our Patreon, also in the description as well. I think it's $9.99 a month, and you get access to daily signals for Bitcoin, and also, you know, we've got all kinds of the moves that we personally make in the market, as well as alpha on really small projects. We've also got, you know, all kinds of quality content in there that's really, really beneficial. We've already got a lot of maxis in there, and they're really enjoying the content so far, so make sure to go check that all out. So in terms of short-term price predictions, then we can see quite clearly here that basically while we're in this range, those will be our targets. So heading to the downside, if we roll to the downside, that 1.75 cent support there will be our key support. Obviously, if we roll further, we've got the 1.6 level 038 Fibonacci as support as well. And then heading to the upside, we could probably see ourselves heading up towards that the top of the range at 2.15 cents, and then hopefully breaking out back towards the, you know, that 0.618 level at 2.6 cents. And then, as we said earlier, we do think Verasity is a really quality project. It's most likely, in our opinion, going to do big things this year. It's got amazing fundamentals. The market cap is super low, and we do think if it does continue to get good adoption, we could easily see that 50 cent to $1 area if the market does continue to play ball. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies, and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in